What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fix by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm going to show you how to add this PC logo here on your desktop. So the thing is, this PC helps you getting into your computer so you can get into USB devices if you connect external devices such as a pen drive or something like that. Let's say you want to get quick access to it. Instead of opening here File Explorer and then going all the way to this PC, which is right here on your left side, I'm going to show you how you can keep this straight here on desktop so you can quickly access it. But do not forget, if you find my content useful, consider subscribing and give it a thumbs up, as it really helps me out. Now, jumping straight into the very first thing in here, we're going to right click on desktop on Windows 11 or 10. We're going to go all the way to personalize in here, right under display settings. Tap once on personalize, and in just a few seconds you'll be brought to this settings page where you do have a lot of options in here. Next up, we're going to tap here on themes real quick, which is the third option, and then we're going to scroll down all the way to desktop icons in here. Right below related settings, stack of settings. Simply tap on desktop icon settings, and here we go. We now have the settings that we can play here in order to choose which files we wish to keep them on our desktop. For example, we're going to select computer in here, which is, in other words, the same as this PC. Now, in new Windows versions, we do have computer now called this PC, while in old Windows versions, this PC was previously called as computer. So just turn on computer or simply tick the option and then simply tap on apply real quick and then tap on OK and you'll be good to go. Here we go. Boom. We now have this PC right here on desktop, and in order to open up a pen drive, all we need to do is simply double click in here and we'll be brought straight into this PC or my computer, from where we can access external connected devices. Thank you so much for making it till the end of the video, and if you find my content useful, give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.